Hello everyone, welcome to my 1000 Leetcode question challenge. And today is the lesson 3. In this lesson, um, they will give us a string and k number. And in this case, we need to delete the adjacent and equal letter. For example 2, we need to destroy and remove the k times, it means 3 times letter E. And after that, we also need to remove all the letter C because they are adjacent and the same letters. And after that, when the number C be destroyed, we need and the number B is close together, we need to destroy them. And the same with the letter D. It means we output into the letter A only. And my solution is I will create the stack, but instead of append the numbers or the letters or open brackets, I will append the array into my stack. In my array, I have 2 elements. The first element is I will store the letters. In this case, it's letter D. And in the second element, I will store the number 1. In the next, I will append the array again with the letter E and the number 1 as well, because this is the first time the letter E appear in my stack. And the next step is I will append the letter E again, follow the example 2. But in this case, the letter E appear 2 times, so therefore I need to use the second element of the previous stack, and I plus 1 into this case to be 2. Similarly, I do the same method to the next E, and I also use this one to plus 1 into 3, and at this time the second element of the previous stack is equal the k number, so therefore I can destroy 3 of them. I just need to for them in the k times and then pop every single E. And the next step is the letter D appear again, and this time I can say that after I destroy those things, the letter D sit next to the letter D like this, and I will use this thing to plus 1 for them into the number 2, and so on and so forth. So this is my solution, and let's check my solution is worked or not. I call the library collection and import the deck, create a stack, and like I said, I need to check them in the for loop. Okay, I say if the first time I create a stack, it means my stack is 0, and I will append in my stack the first array. And in this array, we have 2 elements. The first one is the letter, and the second one is the number one, like I said. And if the letter that I working on it is equal the stack, previous stack, it means the letter that I checking on this, for example, in this case, letter E, and then I said it not look like this one. I don't care about that. But in the next level, if they the same with the previous one, it means I working on the first element. I will, in this case, if it's the same letter, I will say I will append the S1 into the, this is for example, this is the letter E. Oh, sorry, I need to append them in the array, and this is the letter that I working on it, and the second element is the previous stack position, and I just want to append them in the second element, and I say I will plus one for them. In this case is the E, and then I say I will work on the previous second, the previous stack in the second element to plus one to make them into the number two. And then after that, I can say if the for loop working on it like the same in the level 3, and it means in this time it equal k time, I will pop them. I say if the stack of in the previous previous position and in the second element equal the k time, and I can destroy all of those things, and it's easy to just pop them. And I think that I missed one thing. I think I need to expand. One other case is in other case we need to append the normal one into the my stack, because for example, if the letter D is appended and then the letter is difficult indifferent from the D, they are not the same. I just append them into the number one, and yeah, therefore I can say after or I can finish those things. But in this question, they need to export be a string. But like I said, the my stack is the array, so therefore I need to have the answer string, and I will use the for loop to check the stack, and then I only use the first element from my stack. I use the first one, and after the for loop I can return my answer. Yes, successful. And in my code I know that this kind of things is not professional yet, because it look like the beginner and I am a beginner. So I hope that you guys can help me to make the code look like better or represent in the different appears in different professional way, please let me know with the comment below, and I can check and improve myself. Thank you so much.